Our front porch steps have already been demoed, and we had risers of all different heights. The first one was 6 inches, the second one was 8 inches, the third one 7, and believe it or not, going into the house, we had a 3-inch step.
Yeah, that was brutal. Today, we're gonna build a new set of front steps that are naturally easy to get in and out of the house. Let's head into downtown Boston to get a little inspiration.
That sounds good, let's go.
Okay, Mark, check out these granite steps. We're at the Massachusetts State House, and the design element just pulls you in. You have these nice, long, wide stairs, and that goes in, it narrows, and it really welcomes you to the house. I really love that there's a slight curve, and it makes me feel like I want to go up the steps.
Right. For all those reasons, Jen, I think granite for the State House was a perfect choice. Over in West Roxbury, we actually have a few choices. We have wood, concrete, or a natural stone. The extreme weather that we get around here is going to affect whatever we put in. So the granite, for me, I think it's the product we should use.
I totally agree with you.
All right. One thing I did want to show you, I noticed a set of stairs on my way in.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Okay, Jen, these are the steps.
Okay.
I can see you slowing up a little bit,
my knees
trying
are a
to
little...
get some balance there.
Well, they feel different, right?
Right.
So like my foot almost is caught on the edge. The
Right.
riser is different. To me, they're not as comfortable as a step that I normally would do.
Right, I get it. So there's actually an equation with that. We got the riser at 6 inches, and then you measure the tread, which is about 14 inches. That gives us 20. Now the scale of a comfortable step is anywhere between, say, 18 and 19 inches.
You're adding the rise and then the run, and that calculation gives you a comfort zone.
Right. If we're at 20, we're a little bit out of that comfort zone.
Right. I think these steps were intentionally designed to
Okay.
slow you down as you come into the Boston Common, right?
I get that.
So you get to the bottom of the steps, it was a different cadence. It makes you stop your head, you look up, you turn around, you try to figure out where you're going. And then vice versa, when you get back up to the top, there's a very busy street. And so as you are mindful as walking up the steps, it takes a pause at the top.
All right, Jen, now that we've decided on the material, granite, and we know what makes a comfortable step, let's get over to West Roxbury and get going.
Let's go.
All right.
Okay, so we've excavated this area. It was all one big concrete pad. To achieve our new walkway going in at the right level, we had to cut that pad. The remaining pad stayed in place, and that will act as our footing. And then on top of that, we put the 3/4 inch crushed stone to get at the grade we want to be. And we want to achieve the 7-inch riser. How do we get there?
Okay, well, I have my gravel set at about a little less than 28. And that's going to allow me to put a bed of mortar down around the entire rim. That's going to allow us to level stuff off if we have to.
And then the end pieces will be these. These will be the returns on the side. And then the cement block will be there to contain the back because we're going to fill the center with crushed stone.
Right. So if we do it properly and everything works out great, second step goes in easily, third step goes in perfectly, and we're done.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Mark, these steps look great.
Thanks, and check this out. 7,
Boom.
11.
Makes 18.
Makes 18, so that puts us right in that zone for a very comfortable step.
Right, that comfortable walking cadence.
Exactly.
All right, so, I mean, this is such an improvement to this site.
Big
So
time.
next up, brick walkway.
Let's get it.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.